5 benefits of ClickFunnels 30-day free trial. So hey everyone, this side Nilesh, and this video I am going to share with you the 5 benefit of ClickFunnels 30-day trial, and as well as 5 benefit why you have to be you can join ClickFunnels. So first is why ClickFunnels. First point is why ClickFunnels is. So number one point is I'm not a technical person. Yes, actually my education background is computer science. So, but for you, but I'm not interested in coordinate stuff. So for me as well, I'm not interested in coding, not interested in technical, all those things. So you can go and set up your funnels, landing page, website within a 10 minute or 30 minutes. Yeah, most probably 10 minutes, bro. Most probably if you made very fast and soon. So first is solving a bigger problem. Like I'm not a technical person, so you can be a part. You can join. Just simply drag and drop, and your funnel in a landing page, and everything is ready. Number two, so best education system. You find like a lot of trainings inside here, inside this particular platform. You have it is like a lot of self education system, like about mindset, about money making, traffic, organic lead generation, funnels, Tony Robbins stuff, mindset, like and so on, traffics, ads, and right, copywriting, and so on. Then it help you to create multiple source of income, multiple source of income with the help of you can sell your funnel services, you can sell your done for you system, coaching, you can consulting, you can sell on affiliate systems, you can set up your affiliate system and all those things. So then fourth is a number four is a brand character of Russell Brunson. Yes, Russell Brunson is the person who exactly uh, helped a lot in with his influence. I learned a lot of things with his influence. I started this Facebook live and so many things. So Russell Brunson is the person, and he has the brand, and that's why I mostly focus on the ClickFunnels. And number fifth benefit is largest internet marketing community, like ClickFunnels Facebook group, huge number of people, around 300,000 people, and all the people are helping, all the people are helpful towards the community, supporting towards the community. I find lot of my mentors, I find a lot of my connection, like the people who are watching me right now. You are also, I think, you are from ClickFunnels. I found you in the ClickFunnels group itself, right? So that's why huge internet marketing community. So that's why that's a five benefit why ClickFunnels is. Now the main topic of the topic of the day is the five benefit of the 30-day free trial. So if you don't know, ClickFunnels is offering 30-day click free trial, and this offer is only available for 7th February 2022. So after that you don't get access for that one 30-day trial, and you are only get 14 days trial. So this offer is only for few days. So I'll put all the link below the comment section, and here's the link as well for the 30-day trial. I put the same link in the description and the comment section. You can go and check it out if you really wanted to start with the ClickFunnels trial. So now let's move to the five benefits of ClickFunnels 30-day free trial. Number one, you are getting platinum plan access. In that, lots of free training. Like the first benefit is you are getting access of the $297 plan. So with that, you are getting all the trainings that available inside the ClickFunnels Funnelflix, right? Funnelflix, all the trainings inside available inside the Funnelflix. So you get 30 days access, and you are going to learn a lot of things from that one. Then you are able to set up your email, because in the free 97 plan you don't get email template, but in email automation, but in platinum plan you are getting email automation as well, right? You can set up your affiliate ecosystem. Yeah, I'll come. So you are getting access of the platinum plan, so that is best benefit you are getting for this 30-day plan. Then set up you are able to set up your landing lead magnet, launch your own course. So if you have any course and you feel like where I launch, on which platform I create my members area, so you can use the 30-day trial plan, or you can set up your lead magnet to collect the leads. if you really wanted to get more leads into your funnel, more if you wanted to collect email list, you can use the ClickFunnels members area of system, and you are going to get access for the members area. Then learn the how to build funnel done for you system. You can provide done for you system to other people, or you're going to learn about how to build funnels, start your funnel building services. You can offer funnel building services. So once you learn the tool, once you know how the funnel concept is, but for that, if you really wanted to master the core concept of funnel, you have to start with the one funnel away challenge. That but you can join the you can learn how to build a funnels proper, some templates from of funnels, and can start giving as a services of the funnel as service as well. And set up your affiliate backpack if you have existing business and if you wanted to grow your business. So you can set up the affiliate of your own product, and you can get affiliate army. That affiliate army term we read learned in the traffic secret book. So you can set up affiliate of your own product and give the link to other people, set up the affiliate link, and this of system is only available inside the 30-day 297 plan. Sorry, 297 plan, it's only available in 297 plan. So you get this benefit as well in this 30-day. I put the link in the comment section. And sell the template. Number 5 is you can sell the templates. You will get lots of templates while you join the 30-day plan. So 100 plus templates in every niche, like lead funnel, webinar funnel, or application funnel. Lots of funnel template already available there, so you can be get access of that one thing as well. So this is the 5 benefits. Again, I repeat of all the benefits. Platinum plan access. So with that, lots of things inside the platinum plan, not a basic plan. 297 plan, you are getting access. Number 1, set up your lead magnet or collect the leads, so it help you to generate leads. Number 3, learn how to build funnel inside the ClickFunnels, so it is helpful for you. And you, when you want, if you wanted to give services for funnel, you are already master the funnel ClickFunnels tutorial. So ClickFunnels, so it is helpful for you when you are going to give services to your client. Number 4, set up your affiliate. If you have any product, if you have any program or wanted to give to affiliate, you can set up the affiliate with the help of backpack and sell template. So this is the 5 benefits of ClickFunnels. And this here's the link for the 30-day ClickFunnels trial plan. I'll put the link in the comment section, and I'll show you what you are getting from me, what things you are getting from me. I'll just share my screen with you. Okay, slideshow. So this is the 30-day free trial plan. Special offer from me. You are getting lots of things from Russell Brunson, but special offer that you are getting from me is high converting funnel template that I get from 7-figure person. Yeah, I get lots of funnel templates, and I'll give you one or two from that I get from 7-figure person. 2-hour 1-month consulting call with me, so you can ask all your queries related to funnels and all. Number 3, funnel templates in multiple niche. That in any niche you are, I have the multiple niche funnel templates. How to build a funnels in ClickFunnels from scratch. I already created a total inside of a tutorial how you can build a funnels inside ClickFunnels from scratch, and each and every detail like integration, members area, and so many things I already mentioned in that particular tutorial. Number 5, how to generate organic traffic so to your funnel. So I'll also give you that organic traffic training as well. And private messenger chat. I set up the private messenger chat for all of you. I have so in that you get access of some expert that give you guide you related to the ClickFunnels if you have any query. So this is the thing. And yeah, total value is $4,000+ from me, Insen from Russell Brunson, and you are getting access few of offers once you made your first payment. So I'll give you the things that I'm giving you. So get access after your first make your first transaction. So that is what from me. This is the bonuses from me. So I'll put all the link in the comment section, in the description section. You can go and check it out. If you have any query related to 30-day ClickFunnels trial, you can come to me, reach out to me, and that's it from me. So offer is only available for 7th February 2022. So make sure you take action today itself. You only have a 3 days, then this offer is gone. So I'll put all the link, and if still have any query, come to me, message me. So till then, bye bye. Have a great rest of the day, night, morning, evening.